Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sous vide cooking with the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 and the accompanying vacuum sealer bags. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0? This innovative kitchen device allows you to cook food to perfection using sous vide, a technique that relies on precise temperature control in a circulating water bath. This method not only ensures consistent results but also significantly reduces the risk of overcooking your meals. The Anova 3.0 is the latest iteration of their flagship product, and it's packed with improvements. It features dual-band Wi-Fi for enhanced connectivity, which means you can monitor and control your cooking remotely through the Anova app on your mobile device. The two-line touchscreen display makes it easy to check the time and temperature settings at a glance, simplifying the cooking process. One of the great advantages of this precision cooker is its versatility. The adjustable clamp allows you to securely attach it to nearly any pot deep enough to meet the water depth requirements, making it suitable for various kitchen setups. Additionally, the removable stainless steel skirt can be easily detached for cleaning, either by hand or in the dishwasher, ensuring your cooking experience is as hassle-free as possible. Now, let's talk about the vacuum sealer bags included with this package. Anova provides 50 pre-cut bags, each measuring 8.6 by 11.8 inches, with convenient easy-tear tops. This feature allows you to quickly drop in your food, seal it up, and get cooking without any fuss. The bags are designed specifically for sous vide cooking, utilizing a 7-layer double rib design that ensures efficient and quick air extraction, while maintaining the integrity of your food. Plus, you can cook with peace of mind knowing that these vacuum sealer bags are 100% food safe and free from harmful BPA plastics. So, who is this product suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary skills, the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 is perfect for anyone interested in exploring sous vide cooking. It's especially great for individuals who want to impress their friends and family with restaurant-quality dishes right from their kitchen. Practical use cases for this device are endless. You can prepare perfectly tender steak, juicy chicken, or even exquisite vegetables, all cooked to your desired doneness. The ability to set your meal and leave it to cook while you attend to other tasks makes it an excellent choice for busy weeknights or ambitious weekend meal prep. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe,